Doesn't quite like the sound of a Husqvarna 372 Xtorq modified chainsaw. It is modified and it will be sold for parts, disabled at the end of the video. But we'll look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is right here. Choke is on the right. Plastic has some fading on it, doesn't affect the running on this saw. Has a working chain brake. Side load on your gas and oil reservoir. Dual ported muffler. Large falling spikes. Wrap handlebar. Decompression valve. Chain tensioner, loosen the two bar nuts up. Right on the side, your tensioner. That's a used 28-inch bar, professional bar. Professional meaning it has a replaceable tip. That's a 50 gauge chain, full comp. More teeth, less spacing. Very fast cutting. And it is a modified saw, and we will disable it and you will receive it non-running. One of Sweden's more popular muscle saws.